Nos hemos sentado en la mejor mesa.
Solo que tal vez.
Good evening, friends. Let me take this moment to thank my Lord and Creator and God, Jesus Christ, for this moment. Amen. Amen. I would proudly say I am very happy to be here in this day. This is one of the most prestigious moments in my life. From a little village in India, I am here by the grace of God. I could invent a couple of medical devices in the medical industry. One of which is the universal improved tissue modulation system, which we got the patent from US, Europe and India global patent we have. And we have a device called safety isolation bag, which is trademarked as Pneumosac. These two devices which I told right now, which are being used for the laparoscopic keyhole surgery among women. Just for your understanding, people, those who are not very well versed in that subject, I'll just take 1 minute to make you understand. As you know, keyhole surgery is mostly happening nowadays. And when you do a keyhole surgery in laparoscopic surgery for women to remove their uterus or fibroid, when you do that procedure to take that big tissue or mass out, you have to use some equipment called tissue modulator, wherein if you use a tissue modulator to cut the tissue out, sometimes bits and pieces of the tissues will spread inside the abdominal cavity. That can lead to cancer, or maybe that's something called secondary fibroids or parasitic fibroids later stage. So that is very fatal to women. Okay, in that aspect, in United States, in 2014 there is a big issue happened. A case happened. One of the lady doctor who underwent a keyhole surgery, laparoscopic removal of her uterus hysterectomy, she developed cancer after done a modulation surgery. So that time God given me a wisdom to develop something which will prevent this big menace. So that thought of developing a device called safety isolation bag, wherein through the keyhole you can insert this bag and open the bag, and the tissue or the body mass which is to be removed can be placed inside the bag and can be inflated like an abdominal cavity, and through which you will pass your tissue modulator, telescope and all the instrument, and you will do the procedure, so that all the tissue bits and pieces will be got collected inside the bag, and after the surgery you can easily remove the bag as well as everything. So it will save many lives actually. So this has been rewarded globally. In 2020 we got the Thomas Alva Edison Award for this invention from US, and in 2019 we received Mahatma Gandhi National Excellence Award in India, and last year we received Gold Steve Asia Pacific Award for this invention. And I am thankful to God that this year we are being recognized and rewarded by World Cup. And I thank you, Mr. Jesus, and all the team. So this is a fantastic, great moment. I would again thank God that yesterday we received one of our patent granted in US. That is another product called, you might have seen in the name, something called She-Can. You know, see, all of us are women, mother, wife at our home. You may be knowing when a woman passes her age of 35 to 40, 1 out of 5 women across the globe, they suffer from something called sudden urine leakage, stress urinary incontinence. That means when they laugh, cough or bend, involuntarily they pass urine at the age of, or after the age of 40, maybe due to multiple delivery or the pelvic floor weakening. So this is called stress urinary incontinence or sudden urine leakage. So it's a very big menace if some women, in such an occasion, if someone laughs and if you pass urine involuntarily, you can just imagine the embarrassment it can cause. So by the grace of God, we could develop or design a product called a multi-purpose vaginal occlusion and distension device, which can be easily inserted in the vaginal cavity, your own, and it will help. So That's the invention. It's got patent granted in US day before yesterday. India we got the patent granted last month. So I just I would like to inform that also. So we are also looking for global partners and companies who are or in other countries who want to use this or become a part of LIMAS and do this kind of. So dear friends, I am so thankful to all of you. It's a fantastic opportunity. I am very happy. Thank you once again. Thank you.